VyOS versus OPNsense. Let's get started. So VyOS is a command line driven network OS modeled after enterprise routers like Cisco or Juniper. It's great for advanced users managing routing, VPNs, and firewalls from a terminal or a script. Now OPNsense, on the other hand, is a GUI-based firewall and routing platform, forked from pfSense, and it's ideal for admins who want a full-featured web interface and plugins without diving deep into the CLI. So let's talk about them. First is VyOS. It offers excellent scripting, automation, and enterprise routing. It's also CLI-based, like Cisco and John OS. It also has a full control over BGP and WireGuard. Now for OPNsense, it offers an intuitive web interface with dashboard and graphs. It is also powerful firewall, VPN, and traffic shaping features. It also has an active open source community, and it's free and open with no paywall for features. So choose VyOS if you're a network engineer or as SYS admin comfortable with CLI and need high performance. And choose OPNsense if you want an easy to use firewall router for home labs, SMBs, or branch offices.